So in the previous video, I discuss with you that what is fact and what is opinion. And in this video, I discuss what is the Oreo method of writing an opinion essay. This lesson could cause uncountable covering for Oreo cookies under the guidelines set forth by the National Cookies and Education Commission. Your teacher and this school are not responsible for supplying you with the said cookies. Such cookies can be purchased locally at the end of your instructed day. So, this is the opinion about the Oreo biscuit, and the opinion is mentioned in this writing. And this is the warning about Oreo biscuit. So you can easily judge from this that this is opinion or a fact. Okay. In opinion, you can see that Oreo is about over opinion. Tell how you feel about a subject. Reason. Share reason why you have this opinion. E. Evidence. Example. Give example to support your opinion. O. Opinion. Reset your opinion. The best vacation is time spent at the beach is opinion, and the reason is so the reason is there are so many different things you can do at the beach. For instance, you can go swimming, collect seashells, build a sand castle, or maybe even go to jack skiing. In addition, in fact, many people enjoy listening to the sound of the ocean while sunbathing on the shore. And the opinion, when you plan your next vacation, be sure to remember that the beach is your best choice. So this is all about the opinion, the reason, the examples. Okay. So the Reed Payment should win the Book of the Year awarded. And the example is, first of all, the Read the Pyramidal and Action story about two siblings who really know each other and turn including about myths dealing with the Egyptian final. This book will keep you flopping the page. 541 tip. And the opinion I know for sure is that you are looking for a book that should be Book of the Year. And this is the opinion. Okay. So this is the opinion about the book, and this is the reason and the example of the book. Okay, and this is again the opinion about the book. So you can easily see that we tell about the example of opinion and facts in this video. I hope you like my video.